Okay, now we are at question 2. Let's go again. Let's keep going. At question 2 now, we have set A being equal to A is this. We say it is all the integers. Remember that Z is integers. It's all the integers such that it meets this equation. A is X is equal to 5A plus 2 for some integer A. So here's how we should read this. We are saying that if we I shouldn't even have written this to waste my time. So anyway, let's read this and let's speak about it. It's saying that what is the set A? Remember how set builder notation says it tells you the letter. You first put the letter which is going to represent that set. So all the things in set A are called X's. They are all X's. So A is the set of X. And remember, if you want to define it using real number system, you put it here. You put that here, right? You put that in this side. So then you then define with anything else after you put such that. So it is all integers, which means integers are those negative whole numbers, positive whole numbers, and 0. Those three are integers. So it is A is all X's, which meet this equation, 5A plus 2, where A is another integer. So if you put any integer as A in this equation, the answer which you get is going to be part of this set. Now, what about set B? Set B is going to be represented by Y. So set B is all the Y's which will be integers, and they will be represented, we'll say such that Y is equal to 10C plus 3. So they will be the solutions of you putting in this equation 10C plus 3, right? For some integer Y as well. For some integer Y. So in other words, if you take any integer and put it in for some integer C, and put it as C here, the answer which you get in this would be the things that qualify to be in B, because there will be Y's. So B is the Y's and A is your X's. No problem. Now, what do they want from us? They said part I, they said list 3 elements of the set B. List 3 elements of the set B. Now, I'll ask you a question. What are the elements of the set B called? They are called Y's. So we should get 3 Y's. Get Y 3 times using different values. And then if you can get 3 Y's, you would have found 3 elements of B. And how do we find it? We use this equation. Y is 10C plus 3. So we're going to be using the equation Y is equal to 10C plus 3. And then we are going to be putting any integer on C, okay? Then if we get Y being an integer again, then we can put it. So we can say, let's see B equal to 1. We'll now say Y is equal to 10 by 1 plus 3, which Y would be 10 times 1 is 10 plus 3, 13. So that is the first one. Then you can say let C be equal to 2. You have now Y is equal to 10 by, where they see we are putting 2, then plus 3. You get 23. Then you can now say let C be equal to, another integer is 3. We just like to put ones that are close to each other. Y would be 10 times 3 plus 3, which would be 30 plus 3, 33. These are 3 solutions that we have already. So 13, 23, 33. So here they just say list so we can have it. 13, 23, 33. Okay. So if you want to put, you can say that they want elements of the set B. So you can say B is equal to, then you can put dot, dot, dot. Okay. Ellipsis points, 3 dots. They are ellipsis points, which means you keep going. Then you say 13, 23, 33, comma, dot, dot, dot. Okay, comma, dot means we keep going. These are the B's. We've put 3 elements of the set.